everyone, so today we're gonna cook pork sinigang. So first, here we have our ingredients. We have tomato, labanos or radish, gabi, okra, kangkong, green chili, and sinigang sa sampalok mix, which you can use if you do not have real tamarind, and it's used to make our sinigang sour. And of course, the pork. And for me, I prefer to use pork belly. Yes, so let's start. So first, we're going to boil the pork inside this pot. First, we're gonna need medium heat for it. Yes, open it. Set it to medium. And then, we open the pot. Yes. Mainit siya. Mainit pala siya. And then, you just pour the pork inside. And dito na nalagyan. Yes, there. Once you have it inside, you can put a bit of salt. Yes, a bit. A bit. Yes. And then we add 2 glasses of water, or enough to just cover the pork. Yes. So 2 glasses of water. I'm so sorry. Yes. There. Now, we just need to let this boil for 30 minutes or until the pork is tender. And there you go. Okay, so now while we're waiting for the pork, we can start preparing our ingredients, starting with the radish. The radish is known to be rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C helps prevent the cell damage caused by aging. So first, we get our peeler, and then we just peel off the skin of the radish like this until there is completely no more skin left, and it should end up looking like this. So after you've peeled off the skin of the vegetable, you should now slice the radish diagonally like this. So it should end up looking like this. Okay, now that we're done with this, we just set it aside. Yes. Yes, we just set that aside. And then we start working with our gabi. The gabi is known to be low in saturated fat and very low in cholesterol and sodium. At the same time, it is a good source of vitamin B6 and phosphorus. So now we're going to peel it just like we did with the radish. So, and then it should end up looking like this. Okay, so after peeling off the skin of the gabi, we are now going to slice it into cubes, and make sure you hold it properly because it's a bit slippery after you've washed it. And so you need to slice it there. Oh, see, it's slippery. Yes. So you're just gonna slice it into cubes. Yes, and it should end up looking like this. Okay, so now that we're done slicing our gabi into cubes, we just set that aside. Yes, and careful again, it's really slippery. Yes, set it aside to get the ingredients are in a bowl. And then afterwards, we can start off with our so slippery okra. But before that, I just want to remind you guys that don't forget to wash your ingredients properly before cooking our pork sinigang, and at the same time, always wash your hands and wear the proper attire. Okay, so we can start off with our okra. And the okra is actually known to be an excellent source of vitamin C and vitamin K1, wherein vitamin C actually plays a good role in contributing into our main immune function. Yes, and at the same time, vitamin K1 is known for its role in blood clotting. Yes, sorry. So we first slice off the edges. Yes, the edges. And then you can just slice it diagonally in the center, making it into 2 pieces. Yes. So you do that for all of them, and it should end up looking like this. Okay, so now that we are done with our okra, we can just set it aside in a different bowl. And then we can start working with our tomato. So first, you're going to remove this part. Oh wait, I forgot. Tomatoes is actually a major dietary source of the antioxidant lycopene, which is known for reducing the risk of cancer and heart diseases. So again, just slice up this part. Yes, after just cut it into 2 parts, yes, and then you have this, and then you can just cut it here in the middle. Yes, in the middle. Yes, and then afterwards you can cut it again into 2 parts. And it should end up looking like this. So when you're done with the tomato, you can just set it aside again in a separate plate, or yeah. And then we can start working with our green chili. The green chili is known to be a good source of vitamin B6, vitamin A, iron, copper, and potassium. So this one is the easiest because you just have to remove the tangkay or the edge. Yes, you can just get it here like that, and then you can already set it aside. So you just do that for all of them, and then they should end up looking like this. So now when we're done with the green chili, you can just set it aside here. Yes. And then we can start working with our kangkong. Our kangkong is known to be naturally rich in dietary fiber, protein, calcium, iron, vitamin C, and vitamin A. So for the kangkong, you just need to just gonna remove the leaves of it like that. And you should do it for all of them. And then once you're done with it, it should look like this. Okay, so now that we're done preparing all our ingredients, we can now check if our pork is already tender. So, there. So you can grab a fork. And as you can see, it's already tender. You can add our gabi and our radish there. So just put it all inside. Yes. And then, once you've added all inside, you can just let it cook for a few minutes, and then we'll check back on it after 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so I think the radishes and the gabi are already done, so we can just continue to add the okra. And by the way, I added 2 glasses of water for the sabaw of the sinigang, yes. And then, so we put the okra. And then, this one's just fast, because you can just wait for this for like 1 to 2 minutes, yeah. So just put it there again, and then we wait. Okay, so that is fast, so now you can just put this down, yes. Yes, and then now we're going to add the tomatoes. And then after this, we can add the chili as well. Yes. So, again, this is also just fast, like a while ago. It only takes like 1 to 2 minutes, so let's wait for it again. Okay, so now, after putting the green chili and the tomatoes, we can now add the sinigang sampalok mix, yes. So we can just add it inside. And then, you can just, so make sure you put all of it, yeah. You can just put it inside, yeah, sinigang, so that we can add the flavor, yes, there. And then afterwards, you just wait for it again. This is gonna take real fast, so. And by the way, you guys can put sliced onions if you guys just want, but I'm not gonna put that, so. Okay, so, yes, that smells good, yeah. So now we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. It actually depends on how much you want, like on your taste. So we just put it, yes, depends on you. And then afterwards, you mix it, of course, mix it, yeah. That smells good. I am so hungry already, yes. And then after mixing, we're going to add the kangkong. Yes, so you can just put it there. You can just put it all. Oh, make sure you wash your hands, okay? Yeah, just put it there. You can just put them all inside. And then, you can just mix it in there. And then you can just close it. Yes, and then you wait again. for 1 minute or so. Yeah. And then, okay, so now we can just check it, and I think it's done. So there you have it, pork sinigang. So we can taste it if you want. Yeah, you can just add it in a spoon. Okay. And you can just taste it a bit if you want. And it tastes good, so it tastes good. So afterwards, you can just put it into a bowl, and then it's ready to serve. So that's our pork sinigang, and